Let's go.
Okay, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm looking a little rough and I'm thirsty. So this is going to be my basically before and after beauty room slash office tour. So you're gonna see the beauty room before the transformation, and the aftermath won't be for like another month or two, give or take. But I wanted to show you guys my beauty room before I change it, because there's a lot of stuff coming and I just didn't want to do the video without y'all seeing what it looked like before and then finishing the project and you're seeing the afterwards. So I'm going to do the before, where you can finally see my beauty room, but it's a change coming. So outside of my beauty room, this is like the foyer part, like right when you come in my home. So this mirror I got from Hobby Lobby. And the seats I got from, oh my gosh, Amazon. They don't come in a set, y'all. They didn't come in a set. I think you had to pay for both separately. And they're pretty pricey, but now they should be on sale. I'll definitely have the info below for everything, including the mirror, if you're interested. The pillows I got from Five Below, and yes, you can find them on Five Below website. This one says gamers don't die, they respawn. I love that because I am a gamer and you're gonna see that. That little blanket, Amazon, really cute. Pillow. And then this entire set here, guess it, Five Below too. So I may change that out. Change that out pretty soon, that table. I'm not sure, but I just really like the faux pas look. So yeah, let's kind of go ahead and get into my office. So this is my office door, and one thing I'm going to change about this in the future, this door in particular, is I want it to be glass, and then I want it to be able to see in my office, but I'll have like curtains in front of it, but it'll still be like a glass door to walk through. On top is that little really cute sign, office, that I got from Walmart. It's chalk, so you can change it every now and then. Like one time I had mom's room, and now I got office, mom's office. Okay, so we're gonna walk in, and I'm gonna kind of shift to this side of the room. Okay, this side of the room, it's not a whole lot, but it's a lot for me. So I'm gonna see if I can zoom out so you can see. Okay, so this side of the wall, all of this stuff came from Five Below, all of it. I mean, the little cute little statues and the little leafy green statue, and even the shelves, Five Below, y'all. I'm just showing y'all what I did on a budget for my woman cave. So this was not a budget. This was a nice TV that I did get on sale. It's a 32-inch. Yes, I have a TV in my room. So the next time you're gonna see my room, this cord will be in the wall, not outside, because I don't like the way that looks. Very tacky, but it's still cute. So this shelving came from Walmart. One thing about Walmart is I love that you can find a lot of things on a budget. So this came from Walmart, the shelf. Those glass containers with the nice little cute plastic flat flowers, Walmart. As you can see, I am a gamer. Walmart. Did I get it from Walmart? Yes, Walmart. And the Yay, Five Below, and the unicorn, Five Below. My daughter came in and moved things. I don't like that. Five Below, Walmart. I actually made these myself. I made those myself. But this came from Walmart as well. All it's holding is my lashes. A lot of my lashes and my booby stickers. Don't judge. And then this little casing which holds a lot of makeup if I wanted to take it on the go. This side of that, with the same wall, is my mirror, and this mirror is from IKEA. I love this mirror because, for the simple reason, it was affordable. It was like $50. No, it was $60. I'm gonna move this over here. I have my little tripod so I can hold it. But as you guys see, so this little dress or whatnot, it came from Amazon. Really cute. But yeah, this whole entire mirror came from IKEA. It was $60, which was really affordable. They still sell these mirrors. I am going to get a second mirror just like this one in white. Come over here to this station. This is where I will have my clothes, my best clothes hanging. Entire thing, this entire rack I got from Amazon. It was on sale for like $14. You can't beat that. And here is this like this little lamp. I'm gonna take my hats off. So this little lamp here, really cute, really chic. I got from where did I get it? Walmart? I think I got it from Walmart. Coming to my desk I got from Amazon. I was going for this look, and I'm gonna show y'all this picture. I was going for this look in this picture, and this table was definitely giving off those vibes. The only one, and this table was very affordable. It was like 60 bucks. I caught it on sale. It's like $100 something, and I got it for like 60 bucks. I think it was 160, so that's not really bad. And I got it on sale. And the flowers you see are just some basic plastic flowers that for some reason I can't never keep flowers, real flowers in alive. My brushes all came from Amazon, and then beauty school. Yes, I completed. And of course I got my little nasty blenders in. They're clean though, but that's just the stain process. These glasses all came from Amazon with the marbles. The marbles came from Walmart. I actually made this myself using two picture frames glued together with the glass in the middle to make it a tray. My computer is from Walmart. It's the Chromebook HP touchscreen. And this little mirror I got from Amazon is what y'all see me use to do my videos, my little makeup videos. These little things here, Amazon. Five Below, that little nice little puppy picture. Five Below, and my lamp is from Amazon. Now I'm gonna tell you the one thing I love in my room would have to be my chair. So this is my chair, and I got this from Sofa Mania. So Sofa Mania sells a lot of nice furniture. This I was gonna get with the matching couch, which I still might, but I want the couch to be white and it only comes in gray, so I think that still will give a nice offset, being that everything furniture-wise in here is white. So this is the only piece of colorful furniture I have in here, and I love it. This is my favorite part, is this chair, and it's so pretty the way it sits at my desk. So I'm gonna let you see. It's the way it looks sitting at my desk. Okay, so when we come over here, this drawer is from IKEA. I can't remember how much, but it's from IKEA, and I'm going to definitely buy another one. I know y'all thinking, well, this room seems small, but hey, I feel like I can make it work to my advantage. This little scent is basically a center. You put oil in it and it makes the room smell really good. So I got that from Walmart. This huge mirror is going to be decked out the next time you see it. It's huge. I mean, look, it's a pretty big mirror, and it's sitting behind like a stage, a second way to look at yourself when I'm bending down getting clothes. In these drawers, because I move really fast, is more makeup. All of my makeup, that's why I told y'all this ain't even half of it, and nor is this, because I got a bathroom and another dresser in my daughter's room full of makeup. So this drawer is full of makeup, and the other bottom two is full of like lingerie, and no, y'all ain't seeing my lingerie, so move around. Yeah, all of my Juvia's Place and Elf and Anastasia Beverly Hills and all this other stuff, Maybelline, L'Oreal, even high-end and low-end. So that's what this drawer is for. This tray that spins around that holds all of my makeup, not all of it, but just a good chunk of it. It's from Amazon, and it rotates, y'all. I love it because it for the rotating reason. Five Below. This is from Amazon, the tray holder and all of my brushes. There is a TV hanging up in here. There's two televisions hanging up in here, one here, and of course my bigger one. So this is a smaller one. So this is a smaller one. And these hooks, which I love, they're crystal. I got 2, so let me step back. I got 2, and what they're for is hanging your jewelry or your keys. Of course, I haven't used it. This picture came from Hobby Lobby. She's going places, and I believe that. I'm going to manifest that. That's the reason why it's a constant reminder in here. I wanted to have something that constantly reminds me that I am going somewhere, and I'm going to be someone. Y'all are going to remember my name. So, and I want to go across the country. I want to, you know, experience that life. So this, my couch, actually has a couch cover on it. So the next time you're going to see this is going to be without this couch cover. This is a velvet couch cover that I got from Amazon. Nothing's wrong with the couch underneath. It's the fact of the matter is I want to repaint the leather of this couch. It's a leather futon, and I'm going to have a picture here so you can see what it looks like underneath this this cover here, this covering. And I want to spray paint it white. It's already white, but it's looking like a cream. It looks like a cream color, and I want to spray paint it white. So I'm going to either just paint it. I'm not going to spray paint. I'm going to paint it white. So these pillows I got from Amazon. These covers, the covering over the pillow comes separate. So I had to buy those separate in a pack of 4. They came from Amazon. That nice little throw blanket came from Amazon. Love that. Yes, y'all, I'm a huge Amazon fan. Here on this table, you see my little cute vase. My husband got me this for, I believe, a Valentine's Day. I'll definitely have that. It came with a bouquet of flowers, but it's so pretty. I made that tray, and this table came from Amazon. I may get a bigger one because, like I said, I want the room to seem bigger, and it does with the amount of things in it, as you can see. This gonna drive me nuts. But yeah, I want it to seem bigger, but I don't want it to seem small. You know what I'm saying? So that's where that table came from. And over here is basically my shoe rack. I'm gonna step back so y'all can see it. So this is my shoe rack. I got these these bookcases. They're bookcases. I have another one coming in, and then I'm going to buy another one, and I may put like coverings over it. I haven't thought about it yet. I might DIY. So yeah, I want to show you. So this is my sneaker wall. These are not all my shoes. I do share a room with my husband, Doy. So a majority of my shoes, the rest of them are over there in that room. And this is my heel wall. That purse is from Amazon. Wouldn't y'all believe they carry really cute purses? Some of my shoes are from Amazon too. And then Diva is Diva Boutique, from Diva Boutique. And you know, I got some what they call Balenciagas, but they are Balenciagas. They ain't Balenciagas, they like the fake. Y'all get it. But these are from Shop Kira, those shoes. I love them. But yeah, y'all, so this is my book shelf, my shoe shelf, which I'm going to have a third one come in, and I may either connect it with this one in this corner, or I might just do something with it over here and take down my rack and figure out where I'm going to have my rack this time around. And I may put it back behind this wall, my clothing rack behind this wall. So over here in this corner, I need to turn it. So in this corner, you have my chair. I started off with this chair. If anybody go to my very first YouTube video, not my very first, but my first one where I had my own she cave, this was the chair that I started off with. It is now broke due to a family member, but I got it from Amazon. And that throw is from Amazon as well. So this is my vision board, and I'm not going to show y'all my vision board because it's none of y'all business, so block that out. But the shirt is from Amazon. And you can't go wrong with a lot of Amazon stuff, because affordability. Now this closet, this is a closet, and I'm not gonna show y'all this because it ain't clean, all right? It's got all of my wigs and stuff in there, and that's just ratchet to show y'all, and I don't want to do that. So I didn't necessarily show y'all the mirror, and I'm okay with it. I want y'all to be able to see like both of the televisions. This is my she cave. And I'm okay with that because it's mine. You know, this is my space that I come to when I want to be stress-free. This is where I come to when I need space myself. And I thank my husband for this because this is our spare bedroom. And my husband was like, it's yours. He could have literally just took it and made it out of his man cave, but he knew that I needed it, and truly appreciative of it because this is amazing to me. So when you guys come back, you're going to definitely see a bigger transformation. That's kind of the end of my tour. To some, it may not seem like much, but this is just to give you an idea of where you can start, okay? Don't never feel like you gotta buy all this fancy smancy stuff to have a nice she cave. You really don't. Just put the stuff in here that you like and you love and you appreciate, and that makes you feel like you and makes you feel like home. Like, this makes me feel like me and my game system and everything. All the stuff is going to be neat the next time you see it. But my room is going to be redone over. If I can, I'm going to try to see if I can just do it this year. If I can't, we're going to find time. But I'm going to remodel my room because I want it to be a little bit more chic. Right now it's like a in-between. It's in between chic and kind of basic, but like I said, don't ever feel like you have to buy all this stuff to seem legit, because I see a lot of girls on here buying stuff just to seem like, oh, I got it. No, boo, this was $30-some. Them shelves, $30-some at Walmart. You want to mimic the Cardi Bibles and the Nikita dragons, all that stuff, baby, go to Walmart, get you some shelves, go to IKEA. They got a lot of nice stuff. Even Amazon is selling some nice, you know, IKEA lookalike stuff. But majority of my stuff in here is from IKEA, and I got a big old dresser over there that I couldn't fit in here from IKEA. Go there too. They're affordable as well when you catch them on great deals. But Walmart and Amazon, as you can see, majority of my stuff, like I told you, I started with that chair. That chair was like $50-$60, and then I moved my way to my gray chair, which was running me about $200. But that's not bad because, you know what I'm saying, I earned that money to get it, and it's just the one nice thing in my room. Well, no, it's not the one nice thing, but it's just something that adds a little style and flavor that's me. So you do the same thing when it comes to your beauty room. Don't sit up here and feel like you gotta be all glamorized. Now, I did have a big old white carpet in here, but I had to take that joker out because I got puppies, all right? I got a small puppy who like marking territory, and when you got white, it just don't work. It don't work, especially with a puppy that just, it don't work. So yeah, y'all, this comes to the end of my video. Hopefully it inspired some of y'all to just kind of, you know, start somewhere. Start somewhere. It don't have to be glamorous. It don't have to be all this hoopla. Just start somewhere that's you, and it makes you feel like, you know, home and peace and at peace and calm, because that's what my room makes me feel like. So it's been fun, it's been real. Please hit that subscribe button and definitely hit that bell button for future content. Follow me over on my IG. Show support any way you know how for small influencers like me, and it's greatly appreciated. I love you. Bye.